jersey with rose number 1 on the back and black Under Armour shorts with a white stripe. He was last seen Wednesday, July 18th, 2018 at 11 p.m. in South Bend, Indiana, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect, Erica Nicole Juriak, is a 29-year-old white female, 5 feet tall, 90 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a blue tank top and black yoga pants. The suspect vehicle is a tan 2008 Dodge Charger. If you have any information on this incident, contact the St. Joseph's County Police Department at 574-235-9611 or 911. This concludes this Amber Alert.
Wow. But my second Amber Alert.